Bonjour, this is Julian the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this traditional French fish stew originating from the port city of Marseille in the region of Provence on the Mediterranean coast of the south of France. There are two different ways to pronounce this word. In French, it is pronounced bouillabaisse, bouillabaisse, bouillabaisse. Because there is a double S at the end, in French there is normally an S sound rather than a Z sound. Yet in English it is normally pronounced and said bouillabaisse, bouillabaisse, like there is a Z at the end, bouillabaisse. Bouillabaisse versus bouillabaisse in French. Here are more videos on how to pronounce traditional French dish names, French produce, and much more. Au revoir.